Parole evidence rule. Section 10. Evidence of the written agreements. When the terms of the agreement have been reduced to writing, as it is considered containing all the terms agreed upon there can be as between the parties under the successors in interest. No evidence of such terms other than the contents of the written agreements. However, a party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of the written agreement if he or she puts issue to verified pleadings. An intrinsic ambiguity, mistake of imperfection of the written agreements. B. The failure of the written agreements to express the true intent of the agreements of the parties. Therefore, the validity of the written agreements, the existence of the terms agreed by the parties of the successors in interest. After the execution of the written agreements, the term agreement influence Section 11, interpretation of the documents. Interpretation of according to its legal meaning. The language of the writing is according to the legal meaning. It bears the place its execution unless a party is intended otherwise. Section 4. Instrument construed as in the construction of the instrument, where there are several provisions or particular such a construction is possible to the adapted. Section 13. Interpretation of according to general or particular provision. In a construction of instrument, the intention of the parties is to be pursued and general and particular provision and inconsistence, the latter the paramount of the former. So a particular intent to control a general one in inconsistence with it. Section 14. Interpretation according to circumstances to the proper obstruction of the instrument, the circumstances which it was made, including the situation of the subject thereof, the parties, so that the judgment placed to the position language if he or she interpret.